Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to VNC into your Universal Robots Teach pendant. So first you're going to start with the UR magic file VNC installation. That's going to be found on the UR support page, and it will contain, after you extract it, it will contain package, script, and the UR sh file, the magic file. Make sure that these three are in the root of the USB or it will not work. So now you're going to take the USB and plug it into the Teach pendant. As you can see, red letters flash that it's installing the VNC server, and then shortly after, green letters will flash saying that the VNC was successfully installed. You can now remove the USB from your Teach pendant. And take note that it said the password was EasyBot. Now we're going to go into the settings of our Teach pendant, and we're going to the network settings, and we'll set up a static IP address. As you can see, I already set mine up, but this is going to be the same IP address that is attached to your Ethernet port. And then I'll show you that we'll go back to the admin settings. And here I want to make sure that you know, like I said before, that the EasyBot password has to match the VNC password. I went ahead and already did that, but just know that they have to be the same in order to VNC into the Teach pendant. Okay, so now we're going to go into the network connection settings on your own laptop or computer. You're going to go to Properties and type in your admin password. And this is for the Ethernet connection onto your computer that's connected into the UR robot. You're then going to go into the Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, and you're going to set your IP address, again making sure that the first three set of numbers are the same as what you set on your Teach pendant, and the last set of numbers is different. If you are having trouble, it's not installing or it says it's installed, you can go into FileZilla. I find FileZilla very helpful. It allows you to access the files on the UR's link system. As you can see, I'm typing in the IP address I set for the robot, the username root, the admin password, and the port, and as you see, I'm able to connect to the folders. And you can kind of scroll down and view, see if your VNC was successfully installed like it said. It looks like mine was not, so all you need to do is drag and drop, and it will automatically download file into the root folder of the UR, and make sure again you're dragging and dropping the script and package folders into the root folder of the UR system. Okay. As you can see, they've successfully been added, and now everything should be set to access the VNC. Okay, so go ahead and log into the VNC of your choice. I used Ultra VNC. As you can see, the IP address is the same as the one I set on the Teach pendant, and then you're going to be prompted. This is your admin password. Click Login. And here we are VNC'd into the Teach pendant, and I can do anything, any programming, any viewing I want remotely, well, remotely as in wired into the Teach pendant. But there you are. This is helpful for recording videos or showing clients, anything you can imagine. So thank you so much.